Capitol rioter, an accused Capitol rioter by the name of Daniel Christman appeared in court this week to basically go over the details of his plea deal, to tell the court that yes, I accept it, I accept the allegations, I accept the charges, I accept the punishment, let's do this. But things quickly went off the rails when Christman's own lawyer had to repeatedly shut him up and tell him, stop talking. Answer only in yes or no's. Because here's what happened. As I said, this guy has been offered a plea deal. So they have to go into court. They're talking to a judge. It is a regular court hearing. The defendant, Daniel Christman, has to accept all of the things. He has to basically admit to the things that the plea deal says. But he didn't want to do it. And at one point actually started acting like he was going to reject the plea deal. That's the first time his lawyer had to jump in and basically say, stop talking. We got a good deal. Shut the hell up before you get it taken away. But that wasn't the last time. Because then, as the defendant is still talking to the judge, he at one point told the judge, I'm going to tell you the truth about the 2020 election. The lawyer immediately jumped in and said, absolutely not. Nope, 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 nope. Which I love that. This defendant, this moron, is sitting in court and he's like, hey, judge, let me tell you something. I'm going to tell you the truth about what really happened in 2020. I'm about to blow your mind. Like total Mike Lindell style, probably. And then the lawyer had to jump in, no, and, cover his mouth. I don't at all, I do, I guess I should say, have just the utmost sympathy for these lawyers, right? Everybody deserves a lawyer. I mean, it's a constitutional right. It's not that you deserve it, you're legally entitled to it. So yes, you do have to have these criminal defense lawyers come in and defend these people. And a lot of times, honestly, it's just public defenders. So these people are working their butts off. They're doing their part in serving as the counterbalance for the justice system. I do not hold that against them. But how much must it suck to have these Capitol rioters come into your law office or to be appointed to them, and you're just sitting there thinking like, oh, Jesus Christ, like, what am I going to do? This person's a lunatic. They keep talking in these conspiracy theory code words. I don't know how to handle this, but I have to go out there and defend them the best I can. It's their constitutional right, and by God, I have to do it. But I don't know that I can because this person is so friggin' weird. That's what's happening with a lot of these people, not just Christman here, but a lot of them across the board. These poor defense lawyers are having to defend the indefensible, and they're struggling to do it. This guy almost had his plea deal taken away because he wouldn't shut his mouth, even as his lawyer in court is telling him, shut the hell up. That's how unruly these people are. But it also shows us that maybe we shouldn't be giving them plea deals because they clearly believe what they did was the right thing to do. You don't offer a plea deal to an individual that has no remorse and basically is telling you, I still believe what I did was right. No, that kind of sounds like the thing that somebody needs to go spend a couple years in prison thinking about, then come back and tell us if you still think it was the right thing to do.
This is Hattie. Hattie wants to know why you have not subscribed to our channel. You obviously like our videos, so do us a favor and subscribe.